Hello everyone, welcome to our Tradeschool YouTube channel.
Let we see the gold analysis for today. First, we check the economic calendar. Today we don't have any high impacting new for gold today. Now let's we check with DXY, dollar index. After long bullish run, DXY is now seems to get down. When we check with day candle, can see the bearish engulfing. There is some possibilities for DXY to get support from the range 104. Now let we see the brief analysis for gold. We can see the gold is traveling in sideways or in particular range. So from the gold chart we can clearly see that gold is traveling between 1953 to 2009 ranges. We can see that gold was in retracement. If gold fails to get support from this buy range 1986 to 1988, it will seek for next supporting range. After NF, gold shows eroded out, and now again it's in retracement. We have marked the buy zone in the range of 1978 to 1980. Can buy from the range. We also marked another buy zone in the range of 1970 to 1972. Previously, gold got support from this key level. And our final and major buy zone was in the range of 1960 to 1964. It was good support area. Now we check with selling areas. We have marked sell zone in the range of 1993 to 1995. Scalpers can try sell. In this zone can expect 25 to 35 tips. Remember that this was for scalping, not for day traders or swing traders. We have marked the sell zone in the range of 2001 to 2004. We can try gold sell in the range. Can expect 30 to 40 pips profit here. As since gold fails to break the 2010 range, it acts as resistance. So we can try gold sell in the range of 2008 to 2010 with proper stop loss. This is the best sell area for traders until it breaks 2010. Now we check the possibilities for gold movement. We have marked the trend line in the chart. Here are some possibilities for gold if it breaks the trend line as marked in chart. We can try some sell after some correction. We can see the second possibilities for gold movement. If breaks the trend line as showed in chart, we can try the buy from the support. For clear understanding, see the chart. To get more educational videos and more signals, open account with our recommended forex broker OCTA, link given in description. Once opened, contact us. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, and comment. Join our Telegram group, link in description.